Hi, it's Tanand Technology here. Today we're going to demonstrate to you how we're going to get our real-time sensors value fast and easy. So here we have actually three sensors. One is a probe types. This is a probe types temperature and humidity sensors. And we have another one that is inbuilt sensors, right? And this is our human activity sensors. And we are using these sensors to do a lot of optimization. But today we're going to demonstrate to you how we're going to use the sensors and get the real-time value fast and easy. All the sensors can be battery powered, or it can use a USB 5V, like here, USB 5V, to power up them. Okay, the first one, we're going to demonstrate how we're going to install and get our real-time reading for our human activity sensors. Okay, first, install like this with a Velcro. Then we provide a 5V DC power supply. Right, the 5V DC. Okay. Okay, the moment we install, in about interval of 15 seconds, you can see that the dashboard will start showing human activity sensors. And we are using these human activity sensors to do a few optimization in your aircon units. It can be a split unit, it can be an AHU unit, it can also be a VRF unit, where we use these analytics. By capturing more of these analytics, we are able to optimize your aircon and reduce energy consumption. Okay, so you can see that in the dashboard, it's already start showing. If you have more people, the activity sensors will pick up more and shows high value. When you have less people like it now, it will get up and down, right? Okay, then now we're going to move to our second sensors, which is our outdoor temperature and humidity sensors. Okay, we are going to install the outdoor temperature and humidity sensors. The same thing with the Velcro. And this sensor is actually battery powered, so there's no power supply required. And we are taking from the hottest area, which is our compressor room. And therefore we get our outdoor temperature and humidity sensors. The plastic bottle is only a rain hood to protect the sensors for longer lifespan. Okay, the last sensor that we will have is our indoor unit, right? There's no installation required because it's already gathering the data since beginning of the time. It's already displaying in the dashboard as you've seen. Now, from the dashboard, you can see that the outdoor temperature and humidity sensors is increasing in temperature as well as dropping in humidity because of the high temperature reading. That's it for 3 of our sensors, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.